Math 6 Plus Unit 11 Major, Area and Perimeter. Question 1. In the graph below, each grid square represents 1 square yard. What is the area of the shaded region? A. 20 square yards, B. 30 square yards, C. 36 square yards, D. 40 square yards. Question 2. Find the length of side B if the perimeter is equal to 62 centimeters. A. 3, B. 6, C. 18, D. 56. 3. Find the fourth coordinate, area, and perimeter of a rectangle with vertices at the following coordinates: -4, 2, 2, 2, -4, -3. A. Area 24 square centimeters, perimeter 20 centimeters. B. Area 4 square centimeters, perimeter 8 centimeters. C. Area 30 square centimeters, perimeter 11 centimeters. D. Area 30 square centimeters, perimeter 22 centimeters. Question 4. Find the area of a polygon with vertices at the following coordinates: 4, 3, 2, 0, -5, 0, -3, 3. A. 12 square units, B. 21 square units, C. 18 square units, D. 24 square units. Question 5. Find the area of the parallelogram: A. 65 meters squared, B. 18 meters squared, C. 130 meters squared, D. 36 meters squared. Question 6. Find the area of a triangle with vertices at the following points: 4, -3, -7, -3, 2, 8. A. 121 square units, B. 110 square units, C. 60.5 square units, D. 55 square units. Question 7. Students in England created the world's longest yo-yo. Its diameter is about 10 feet long. What's the circumference of the yo-yo? A. 62.8 feet, B. 31.4 feet, C. 314.16 feet, D. 78.54 feet. Question 8. Find the area of the polygon: A. 336 square feet, B. 384 square feet, C. 288 square feet, D. 13,824 square feet. Question 9. Find the area of the polygon. All angles in this figure are right angles. A. 3,720 square yards, B. 368 square yards, C. 240 square yards, D. 96 square yards. Question 10. A rectangle with a width of 6 centimeters has a perimeter of 28 centimeters. What is the area of the rectangle? Show your work. Include units in your answer. Question 11. Find the area of the composite figure. Show your work. Include units in your answer. Question 12. What is the area of the shaded region? Question 13. What is the area of the shaded region if the radius of this circle is 3.4 inches? Question 14. Find the area of a circle with a diameter of 14 yards to the nearest hundredth. A. 615.75 square yards. B. 43.98 square yards. C. 22.00 square yards. D. 154 square yards. Question 15. Find the circumference of a circle with a radius of 3 meters to the nearest hundredth. A. 18.85 meters. B. 28.27 meters. C. 9.42 meters. D. 113.10 meters. Question 16. Two angles are complementary. One of the angles measures 26 degrees. Find the measure of the other angle. Question 17. Two angles are vertical. One of the angles measures 11 degrees. Find the measure of the other angle. Question 18. Find the measure of angle X. Question 19. The Mayall telescope at Kitt Peak National Observatory in Arizona has a lens with a 7-meter radius. What is the area of the lens? A. 43.98 meters squared. B. 615.75 meters squared. C. 153.94 meters squared. D. 22.00 meters squared. 20. Find the missing angle measure of the triangle below. A. 240 degrees. B. 60 degrees. C. 30 degrees. D. 90 degrees.